Hi, welcome to another video about Audi A2. In this video I will do the job that I have already done, and this is the replacing this central mechanism in the left rear doors. I have already replaced this because my rear left doors didn't lock. I will link a video description there. There will be also the complete tutorial how to take away the trim, door trim and everything. And because I thought that the problem is in this central locking mechanism, but the problem was in the electronic locking unit in the rear left doors, which I also replaced, and then the locking started to work normally. This was in the winter when the temperatures were cold, probably and I just left the replacement unit central mechanism, locking central mechanism in, because it was working. So I just left it in, and the problem is that now with the temperatures, or maybe it just broke, now when I turn the ignition on, I get a clicking noise. I checked with diagnostics, and it looks like that the left central locking mechanism is faulty. So probably a micro switch there, but I will not repair it. I will just replace it with this one because it was working okay before, hopefully, and I will then maybe repair it so that I will have a spare unit here. Before I go, and I will not film the whole procedure. Probably I will do just a time lapse, because as I said, I will link the video with instructions how to do this. I've already done. So now before I go repairing, let's go into the car and let me show you the clicking noise. So here is the car, and now I will just turn the ignition on and listen for the clicking noises. Okay. Again. There are clicking noises coming from the rear, from all doors, from central locking, but especially sometimes the clicking noise from the left rear doors is quite different. So probably this is the faulty, and I hope that the replacement will repair it. Let's go to work. as you can see, the doors are again complete, so the lock was replaced. It was nothing special. It took me around half an hour, even less, because I've already done it. So now let's see if everything really works here. I will just close the doors and I will lock them. Okay, and the doors are locked, and now if I unlock them, they do open. Okay, so this is great. And now let's go for the moment of truth. If there will be any clicking here, let's see. Okay, perfect, no clicking. Let me just do it again. Great. So this was, it looks like that they're replacing the lock solved the issue. So now just for me to be sure, I will just test now also with my diagnostic tool that everything works. I will delete the error, the trouble code, and it should not come back. Let's check it. I have connected my VCDS to the OBD port, and now I will check if there should be a trouble code. So I will need to turn the ignition on, and now the module is 46 central convenience, and there should be a trouble code regarding the rear left doors that I think won't desafe. So let's check. Okay, it's red, and now let's go here. And yes, as you can see, rear left door won't desafe. So usually this is the problem, is the micro switch, but as I said, I just replaced them. So I will now clear the codes. That's it. And I will just disconnect the ignition, turn off the ignition, and turn it on, back on. And now let's see if the trouble code came back. It should not, so since it is not clicking. This is it, and no fault codes. Perfect. So I will just close this, everything, and that's it. And this was it. The rear left door locking mechanism is again repaired. Hopefully this time it will stay a little bit longer. I'm quite happy, because now I don't have any clicking noise anymore, which was really going on my nerves. And hopefully it will stay like this. Thank you for watching. Drive safe, and of course smile when you drive, because driving is fun. Bye.